Hey, this is Jimmy Beach with an exposure quick tip video from Alien Skin Software. This video shows you how to create and use batch actions in Photoshop. We will be creating a batch action that includes an exposure preset. Photoshop actions enable you to apply identical adjustments to a large group of files. To create a batch action in Photoshop, first open the Actions panel, then create a new action set, and then create a new action. Use specific names for titles of actions and action sets to stay organized. For example, I will use the name of the preset I plan to use as the name of the action. Then click Record. Notice the Record button on the Actions panel. This means Photoshop is recording our commands. Anything we apply to our image will register in this panel until we tell it to stop. Let's open Exposure and apply a preset. In the Presets panel, from the Faded category, I'll select Black and White Faded, High Contrast, Highlight Retention. Once I've made my selection, I'll press OK to apply the look and close Exposure. Now in the Actions panel in Photoshop, I'll press the Stop button. We just finished creating our new custom batch action. Let's put our new action to use. In Photoshop's File menu, select Automate and Batch. In the Batch dialog, select the set and the action we just created. Then we will designate the folder to use for source images. These are the unprocessed images. As a final step, set the destination. The destination is very important. Photoshop batch actions can oversave your original files if you're not careful. Always duplicate them by saving to another location when you're processing using actions. Then I'll click OK to begin the process. And that covers it for this quick tip video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorial videos on using Exposure. If you haven't used Exposure yet, try it free for 30 days.